In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin on Ringcentral for the year 2025 following a simple step-by-step process. Your team's communication and management can be optimized by properly setting up administrative roles. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, make sure you're logged into Ringcentral and have navigated to the messaging section by visiting app.ringcentral.com/messages. This is where you'll find your team conversations and settings. Once you're in the right section, the first thing you need to do is move your attention to the highlighted areas. These sections are crucial as they'll guide you through finding the options you need to manage admin roles effectively. Next, you'll want to click on the messages icon. This will expand your view and show you all ongoing team chats and conversations. From here, you'll see a list of team names on the left. Clicking on the specific team name you wish to manage will give you access to its settings. Once you've accessed the team settings, you need to type in the names of the members you wish to adjust permissions for. This step is important as it will enable you to add, remove, or alter their roles within the team. Be precise when entering their names to ensure that you are modifying the correct individuals. Following this, you'll also want to provide a clear description of what your team or project entails. This description is helpful for both current and future team members to understand the purpose and objectives of your group clearly. It also helps maintain transparency and organization within your workspace. The next step involves deciding on the privacy settings for your team. Depending on the nature of your discussions and the sensitivity of the information you're handling, you'll choose between making the team private or public. If privacy is a priority, select private to restrict access to invited members only. If your group can benefit from broader inclusion or participation, public might be the way to go. After setting privacy preferences, you'll come across several toggle options that allow you to further customize how your team operates. First, you can allow team members to add other members, which can be handy for teams that frequently expand. You can also permit them to post messages, use the @team mention for wider reaching announcements, and pin important posts for easy access later. And there you have it. Setting up an admin on Ringcentral is incredibly manageable when you follow these steps. It's all about enhancing team collaboration and ensuring that roles and responsibilities are clear. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find these steps as straightforward and effective as intended. Enjoy your streamlined Ringcentral experience.